Need more hotspot data on Straight Talk? No problem. Add-ons are extra data packs you can buy when you run out of your monthly allowance, preventing service interruptions. They're optional, non-refundable, and last until your billing cycle ends. Straight Talk offers standard packs like 2 gigabytes for $5, 5 gigabytes for $10, and 10 gigabytes for $15. You can also find limited time high-speed boosts or set up auto-renew options to automatically add data when you hit 0 gigabytes. Prices can vary slightly depending on the carrier network and location, so always check the details. Buying an add-on is simple. Use the Straight Talk app or visit their website. Add-ons are available 24/7, with digital purchases being the most common. Important things to keep in mind include throttling, which means your speeds drop after you use all your data. Deprioritization can also reduce speeds during network congestion. Straight Talk is piloting green data add-ons where purchases offset carbon emissions from network operations. Buying an add-on is a flexible way to stay connected without upgrading your entire plan.